Welcome back to my YouTube channel. In the last two sessions, we learned about the basic concepts of algebraic expressions, such as types of algebraic expressions, constants, variables, coefficients, constant term, factors, like and unlike terms. In today's session, let's try some quiz questions on these topics. Try to answer each question and see how many you get right. And comment your score down in the comment box. First question is, which of the following is a trinomial? Option A, x plus 2. Option B, x square plus x plus 1. Option C, x. Option D, 2x minus 3. The correct answer is option B because a trinomial contains 3 terms. Next question is, which of the following is an algebraic expression? Option A, root 16. Option B, x plus 7. Option C, 12. Option D, 5 minus 3. Option B is correct because an algebraic expression should contain a variable. Next question is, which is the coefficient of x in the expression 7x plus 3? Option A, 10. Option B, x. Option C, 3. Option D, 7. The correct option is D because in the given expression, coefficient of x is 7. The next question is, which of the following is a term in the expression 3x plus 4y minus 7? Option A, 3x. Option B, 4. Option C, x plus y. Option D, 7x. Option A is correct because 3x is the correct term in the given expression. Next question is, which term is constant in the expression 4x plus 9 minus 6z? Option A, 4x. Option B, 9. Option C, none. Option D, 6z. The correct option is B because 9 is constant term in the given expression. Next question is, which of the following is a binomial? Option A, x plus 2. Option B, x square plus x plus 1. Option C, x. Option D, 3. Option A is correct because binomial contains 2 terms. Next question is, which of the following is not an algebraic expression? Option A, x plus 2. Option B, x square plus x plus 1. Option C, x. Option D, 3. Option D is correct because there is no variable in it. Next question is, which of the following is a variable term? Option A, 30. Option B, x. Option C, 9 minus 6. Option D, 75. Option B is correct because all other options are constant terms. Next question is, which of the following is a monomial? Option A, x plus 2. Option B, x square plus x plus 1. Option C, x. Option D, 3 plus 5p. Option C is correct because monomial contains one term. Next question is, which of the following are like terms? Option A, 3x and 3y. Option B, 5x and 7x. Option C, x and x square. Option D, 2 and 2x. Option B is correct because they have same variables with same powers. Next question is, which pair represent unlike terms? Option A, 4a and 6a. Option B, 5y and 7y. Option C, x cube and x square. Option D, 2 and 5. The correct answer is option C because they have same variable but with different powers. The next question is, which of the following is a like term to minus 2mn? Option A, minus 3mn. Option B, 4m square n. Option C, 5n square m. Option D, m square. Option A is correct because it matches minus 2mn in both variables and powers. The next question is, simplify 5z minus 2z plus z. Option A, 3z. Option B, 2z. Option C, 4z. Option D, z. Option C is correct because 5z minus 2z is equal to 3z. 3z plus 1z is equal to 4z. The next question is, what is the value of 2x square plus 3x when x is equal to 2? Option A, 10. Option B, 14. Option C, 12. Option D, 16. Correct option is B because when x is equal to 2, x square becomes 4. Then the equation becomes 2 into 4 plus 3 into 2. 2 into 4 is equal to 8 plus 3 into 2 is equal to 6. When we add them, it becomes 14. The next question is, what is the value of x in the equation 3x plus 2 is equal to 11? Option A, 6. Option B, 4. Option C, 3. Option D, 5. Correct option is C because given expression is 3x plus 2 is equal to 11. When we move this plus 2 to the RHS side, then equation becomes 3x is equal to 11 minus 2. 3x is equal to 9. If we take 3 to the right hand side, then the equation becomes x is equal to 9 by 3. 9 by 3 is equal to 3. Then the x is equal to 3. I hope you had fun watching this quiz. share and subscribe to my channel for more videos.